If you're like me and you think about portable jump starters from just a few years ago, you think about something that's kind of large, almost like a small piece of luggage. Well, those days are gone. Today we're here to talk about the Schumacher portable jump starter and power pack. So let's take a look and see what comes in the package. Inside the packaging, you get everything you need to use this unit. First, you get the power pack itself. Next, you get the battery clamps, which are attached to the Smart Connect that you plug into the power pack when you want to jump start a vehicle. You also get a handy carrying case with drawstring. You also get a USB-C cable that you can use to either connect to the power pack to charge your mobile devices or to charge the power pack after you're done using it. And lastly, you get an instruction manual to help answer any questions that you might have when you're using the unit. Not only can you use this as a portable jump starter for your car, SUV, or pickup truck, you can also use this as a jump starter for your boat, ATV, garden tractor, and more. In addition, you can also use this as a power pack for your portable electronic devices. You can also use this as an emergency light source thanks to its built-in flashlight. One of the things I like best about this device is its long-lasting battery life. I've had mine for over a year, and I've left it for 6 months or more and come to push the power button to see how much power is left in the battery, and it always holds its charge. This is important because you want to know that if you ever find yourself stranded alongside the road, that you can count on this device in an emergency. Here we can see the flashlight on the unit, and to operate it, all we need to do is push on the power button right here. Once you push on the button, hold it down, and the light will come on. If you push the power button again, it will flash an SOS signal. And if you push it one more time, it will go into strobe mode. And then if you push it one more time still, the flashlight will go off. So now let's see how it looks in the dark to see just how well it illuminates things. Now let's push the power button, and we'll push it again to turn on the flashlight. And you can see it illuminates everything very well underneath the hood. If I need to see something, even if I need to see something way down here, I can see it all just fine. The flashlight is definitely powerful enough to do what you need to on a dark night on the side of the road. And then to the strobe. Now let's talk about the USB ports on the side of the device. To expose these ports, we will pull over here and remove this cover. And then we can see all 3 USB ports. The first one here is the USB-C port that we can plug in and charge the power pack. Next, we have a 2.4 amp USB port that people can use to charge their portable devices. And if your device can use fast charging, we also have a 3 amp USB port as well. And when it's time to jump start a vehicle, just grab your clamps and take the smart cable on the end, and we will plug it in to the top of the power pack right here. And as we do that, we are looking for the green light to blink, and that is telling us that everything is ready to go to jump start our vehicle. So why do I like this Schumacher portable jump starter and power pack? Well, let me give you 3 reasons. First, it's small. It's really convenient to put in your glove box or any other place in your car, and it's not going to get in the way. Number 2, it's easy to use. And number 3, it's dependable. I have left mine in the car for months on end in hot days of summer and cold below 0 days of winter, and it always holds its charge. I've never not been able to use it when I've needed to. You might be wondering how many jump starts you can get out of this power pack. Well, to answer that question, I would say it depends on what it is you're jump starting. If you're jump starting garden tractors, you're going to get a lot more. If you're jump starting 4-cylinder cars, you're still going to get a lot. If you're jump starting just V8 engines, you're not going to get as many. Not long ago, I used mine to jump start a pickup truck with a V8 engine that had been sitting for over 6 months and had a completely dead battery, and it only used 15% of the battery life on my power pack. So I would expect that you should be able to get at least 6 jump starts out of a power pack, worst case scenario. Remember, the bigger the motor that you're trying to jump start, the more power it's going to take. Now let's go see how it would work when we go to jump start a car. So if I want to jump start a car, all I do is take my power pack, connect the cable to the top. I have the green light blinking, and just like I would with a regular set of jumper cables, I will take and connect the red to the positive terminal, and I will connect the black to the negative terminal. That's all there is to it, and now we're ready to jump start the vehicle. This Schumacher comes with a lot of built-in safety features like reverse polarity and short circuit protection, low voltage and reverse charging protection, as well as high temperature protection. So what's my final verdict on this Schumacher portable jump starter and power pack? I think it's excellent. I don't go anywhere without having this in my car, and I've started getting these for my friends and family members as gifts. I hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching.